on the Westinghouse 11500 TFC tri-fuel generator, and if that's not your type of video, just skip ahead to the next one. I'll see you later. This thing is packed well, not a dent in the cardboard. But it is heavy, so if you're going to get one of these, make sure you've got some help or some power equipment. You might even buy a tractor. That's a good excuse to get one. Oh, this thing is beautiful. So, it comes with the battery. And not a lot of generators actually come with the battery already installed. There's the remote start. Instruction manual. That looks like the natural gas hose. Wow, that is one heavy duty handle. And look, it's stiff. It stays wherever you put it. Alright, the box it came with, we've got the wheel kit, propane hose. It even comes with oil and a funnel. Now, I've never actually bought a generator before that came with the oil already in the package. What do we got? Oh, that's the leg kit. And in this box, battery charger. They thought of everything. So when you get this, you can put the wheels, the oil in it, add your fuel, and you are in business to go. Inside this bag, it actually came with some tools. So you got the spark plug wrench and some assembly tools. Fantastic. Now for the wheel, you just put the stud all the way through. Put a washer on this side. And then the cotter pan once you get it through the holes. Alright, we get to connect the battery now. And it's got quick connects on there, so that's easy. There's the oil. Ain't that cute? Let's see what we've got. It doesn't say break-in oil. It's probably just regular oil. 10W30, which is good for a temperature range. 10 degrees to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. I wonder if the entire bottle is going to be enough, the right amount, or too much. Alright, I've got this full. This container was 1.26 quarts, and I've still got some left in it. And over here, I forgot to check. It actually has an oil filter on there, and not a lot of generator models have this kind of oil filter, so that's fantastic. So the battery's connected, the oil's in the engine. What's left now is to choose a fuel type to use. I'm going to be running this on propane. And we've come with propane in the kit. Propane hose and regulator. Looks like it's about 6 feet long. And we've got a quick attach. How cool is that? Bam, ready to go. It's a good idea when you get a new engine like this, open up the air filter box and make sure that they don't have plastic wrap on the filter. This one's good to go. I didn't have to do anything to it. And I think the instructions call for actually soaking the filter in oil. But for today, I'm just going to do a test run and I'm not going to do that. Alright, let's take a close-up look of everything we've got here. There's your oil fill, oil filter, and all these buttons. There's your push to start. This actually turns the generator on so that you can start the engine. While this is on, it's pulling power out of the battery, so it could pull the battery down to nothing if you leave it on too long. There's your main breaker. Smart switch port. Westinghouse has an auto transfer switch that can be used with this. USB ports. Here's the main one I'm going to be using, the 15 amp plug. There's a 30 amp plug and your standard house plugs, 20 amp each, GFCIs. You can use both of these at the same time if you want to power two separate panels. You still only have a total of 50 amps. So if you pull 30 amps off of this, you only have 20 amps to use here. Or say you're pulling 40 amps off of this one and you only have 10 amps left to use on this one. So the total of the outputs of all you can use is just practically 50 amps. 11,500 is just a little short. I think it's about 49 amps. So 12,000 would be your 50, which is close enough. And you have your 14,500 surge when running gasoline. You have about 1,000 less each on propane, and then again another 1,000 less than that on natural gas. Oh yeah, look at that old Harbor Freight generator. That's old and busted. Oh, that's new hotness. Alright, let's recap what we get here. This generator has 49 running amps, 60 surging amps, running on gasoline. You get a tremendous value here because you're getting a almost 50 amp continuous service. You get low THD, remote start. It comes with the battery, the handle, the wheel kit, the oil, and the hoses all in the package. So when you get it, you put it together, all that you have to do is add your own fuel and you are making electricity. And before we go, this unit, I think it lists for $15.99 at the time I bought it. I had some coupons from Lowe's and I got it for a whole lot less. So this is a lot of power and it's very affordable. and it's clean power because 5% THD. It's safe for your sensitive electronics and anything else you want to power with it. So that's all I've got for this video. If you'd like, leave some comments, questions, anything below. I'll answer anything I can. And in case I don't see you again, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.